Nzo is now 50 years old and part of an altogether different clan. She is matriarch to her very own herd of buffaloes. And it appears her misfit family has even learned to understand her rumbles. She may think she's one of them, but unlike buffaloes, elephants like to eat on the move. So for 16 hours a day, they must follow as she browses. Nzo's instinct to lead is strong. But she's missed out on years of learning from her elders. She's had to figure out her own management style to keep her extraordinary family disciplined and on track.